Hello friends, today we will learn how to define class methods or functions in C++. In previous video, we learned the concept of class and objects, how to create and use them. If you have not checked yet, you can click on the link given here for more understanding. Now, class methods are mainly defined in two ways, inside class and outside class. Let us understand how to define methods or function inside class with a simple code. Here we have taken class named tech. Now we are starting the body of your class. Here first we have declared access specifier public. Now you can see that we are declaring as well as defining your print function within the class itself. So we have declared void print, then we are giving the body of your function, that is cout hello world. Then braces closed followed by the closure of your class tech. Now to call this particular print function, we will be creating an object of this class, that is class tech, and object obj. To call the method or function, we use dot operator. So here the name of object with dot operator and the name of your class function. Now to define method or function outside the class, first we will be declaring your function inside the class and then defining it outside the class. Here we have taken class tech again. Inside this we have taken your access specifier public. Now you can see here we have taken the print function. We are just declaring it. We are not defining it. And end of the class. Now to define it outside, we will be using the scope resolution operator. For that, first we will be taking the data type of your function, which is void here. Then your name of class. Tech is the name of your class in which your print function has been declared, followed by your scope resolution operator, and then the name of your function, that is print function, followed by the body of your function. Now again, to call this particular method, your print function, we will be creating an object of the class, which is again this name of class followed by the object name. And to call this method, we will be using the dot operator. Now concluding, there are two ways of defining methods. One is declaring and defining both inside class, and other is declaring inside but defining outside the class. Thanks for watching. If you like, please hit the like button and subscribe for more technical videos.